Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Haru Haru Toner is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products on the market right now, and for good reason. This innovative toner boasts a unique fermented black rice extract formula, designed to deeply hydrate, nourish, and revitalize your skin, leaving it feeling plump, smooth, and incredibly radiant. If you're looking to elevate your skincare routine and achieve that coveted healthy glow, you'll want to stick around as we dive deep into what makes this toner a game changer for so many. Number 5. TIRTIR Milk Skin Rice Toner. Discover the power of deep moisturization with our hydrating toner. It's formulated to quench your skin's thirst. Infused with niacinamide, ceramide, and rice bran extract, this toner provides essential nourishment. These nature-oriented ingredients work together for healthy-looking skin. Embrace the essence of Korean skincare with this gentle formula. It's designed to enhance your daily routine. Our toner is proudly vegan and crafted with care. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion with consistent use. It leaves your skin feeling soft and revitalized. Add this toner to your regimen for a boost of hydration and nourishment. It's the perfect step for achieving your skincare goals. What we like. This option offers deep moisturizing and hydration with key ingredients like niacinamide and ceramide. If you have dry or dehydrated skin and are looking for a nourishing toner to plump and soften your complexion, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those seeking a healthy, well-hydrated Korean skincare routine. What people say. The toner has a lightweight, watery texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. It effectively hydrates the skin, leaving it feeling plump and refreshed. The toner contains fermented ingredients like black tea extract, which are known for their antioxidant properties and ability to improve skin texture. Number 4. SeoulCeuticals Korean Skin Care Essence Toner. Discover the secret to radiant, youthful skin. Our Korean skincare essence toner is your first step to a healthy complexion. Experience a refreshing burst of hydration with this revitalizing spray mist. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up anytime, anywhere. Formulated with cucumber extract and marine minerals, it nourishes your skin deeply. Organic aloe vera adds a soothing touch. Get ready to achieve that coveted healthy, youthful glow. This toner helps reveal your skin's natural radiance. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of K-Beauty. This essence toner is a must-have in your daily skincare routine. What we like. This toner comes in a convenient spray mist format, infused with cucumber extract and marine minerals. If you're looking for a refreshing pick-me-up throughout the day or a quick way to hydrate and soothe your skin, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who prefer a no-fuss application and want to achieve a youthful glow. What people say. The toner is formulated with fermented ingredients like black tea extract and ginseng extract, which are known for their antioxidant properties and ability to improve skin elasticity. It has a lightweight, watery texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue, making it suitable for all skin types, including oily and combination skin. The toner helps to balance the skin's pH level and strengthen the skin barrier, leading to a healthier and more radiant complexion over time. Number 3. Glow Recipe PHA Plus BHA Face Toner. Discover the power of gentle exfoliation with our unique formula. It helps to refine your pores and reveal smoother, brighter skin. Experience the perfect balance of hydration and clarity. This toner quenches your skin while effectively clearing pores. Formulated with nourishing watermelon, hydrating cactus water, and glycerin. It's designed to pamper your skin with every use. Unlock the secrets of Korean beauty with this advanced exfoliating toner. Achieve a healthy, glowing complexion effortlessly. Say goodbye to enlarged pores and uneven texture. Our toner works to visibly minimize pores for a refined appearance. Incorporate this toner into your daily routine for a boost of radiance. It gently removes impurities, leaving your skin refreshed and revitalized. What we like. This product is designed to gently exfoliate and refine pores while still providing hydration, thanks to its PHA and BHA formula. If you struggle with uneven texture, clogged pores, or dullness but also need moisture, this is the one for you. It's suitable for those who want a smoother, clearer complexion without stripping the skin. What people say. It is a toner that is good for sensitive skin. It is a toner that is good for sensitive skin, and it is also good for acne-prone skin. Number 2. Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Discover the power of deep hydration with our unique formula. It quenches your skin's thirst, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, this toner is both alcohol-free and fragrance-free. Enjoy a soothing experience without any irritation. Unlock the secret to luminous, glass skin. Its advanced ingredients work to refine your complexion, giving you a healthy, radiant glow. Embrace the best of Korean skincare. This toner harnesses the benefits of black rice for a truly transformative effect. We are committed to ethical beauty. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it provides intense moisture and helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Experience lasting comfort and protection. What we like. Formulated specifically for sensitive skin, this toner is alcohol-free and fragrance-free, ensuring a gentle experience. If your skin reacts easily to harsh ingredients and you're seeking deep hydration for that coveted glass skin look, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for anyone prioritizing a calm, comfortable, and deeply hydrated complexion. What people say. The texture is lightweight but very moisturizing, and it absorbs quickly without leaving any residue or stickiness. My skin feels soft, calm, and comfortably hydrated after each use. It uses cool ingredients like black rice antioxidants and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, which totally helps with that tight feeling I usually get. It makes my large pores look smaller. Number 1. Haru Haru Wonder Centella PHA Gentle Exfoliating Serum. Discover a new level of gentle exfoliation. Our serum is specially formulated for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable and effective experience. Unveil a radiant complexion with our unique exfoliating formula. It works to reveal your skin's natural luminosity, leaving it looking refreshed and revitalized. Harnessing the power of Centella Asiatica and PHA, this serum gently removes dead skin cells. It helps to soothe and improve skin texture without irritation. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical skincare practices. Experience the best of Korean skincare innovation. This serum brings you advanced formulations designed for optimal skin health and beauty. Achieve smoother, softer, and more radiant skin with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine for a healthy-looking glow. What we like. This gentle exfoliating serum, containing 3% Centella and PHA, is specifically designed for sensitive skin to promote a healthy glow. If you're looking to achieve smoother, brighter skin but have found exfoliants too harsh in the past, this is a fantastic alternative. It's perfect for those who want to improve skin texture and radiance gently. What people say. This toner has a watery consistency that absorbs quickly into the skin. It helps to soothe and hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. The toner is formulated with fermented ingredients that are beneficial for skin health. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.